sipag at talino. Sa trabaho't buhay, tapat ang paninindigan mo. Sa pamilya at kaibigan, ikaw ay haligi. Sa bawat yugto, may aral na ibinibigay. Maligayang kaarawan, Jong! 60 taon ng biyaya. Ngayon, puno ng galak ang gabi ng pagdiriwang. Sa iyong buhay kami nagbibigay pugay at pasasalamat. Hindi lang tagumpay.
So Tito Jong, I wish you good health and sana hindi ka masyadong makapagod sa work and enjoy more of life now that you're 60, and welcome to the new citizenship, which is the senior citizens.
He is dependable, reliable sa office, but even then, I already know that his priority is always his family.
For your faith in me, for all the joys you've given me. But there's one thing makes me love you most of all. But you never gave up on me when I was giving up on you. Never mattered who was right or wrong, you stayed to see it through. You never gave up on me when I was making things wrong.
Kami nagdiriwang, isang buhay na puno ng dangal at kabutihan. Happy 60th birthday, Jong! May your days be long, your joy be strong.
Does Joe have, and what is his birth order? First ever pet. Jong's first ever pet. Cat daw.
Ang tanaw sa
Jong, pangalan mo'y ilaw ng tagumpay. Panahon ng saksi sa sipag at talino. Sa trabaho't buhay, tapat ang paninindigan mo. Sa pamilya at kaibigan, ikaw ay haligi. Sa bawat yugto, may aral na ibinibigay.
First of all, happy birthday.
I just wanna give you a happy birthday.
Isang caring, thoughtful,
Kasama may pangalaman. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! I hope you like
Happy birthday, Kuya Jong!
Hindi lang tagumpay ang iyong iniwan, kundi inspirasyong habang buhay na sandigan. Sa bawat hamon, ikaw ay huwaran. Isang leader na may puso at karangalan. 60 years of wisdom, grace, and strength. A life of purpose, depth, and length. The best chapters are still to come. With faith, with love, with everyone. Maligayang kaarawan, Jong! 60 taon, isang dakilang panahon. Sa gabing ito,
I can't believe. Explain the happiness I'm experiencing. So, sobrang thankful ako sa mga pumunta dito. Basta, maraming salamat. Lahat kayo ay malapit sa puso ko. Thank you very much.